Starting around 07 walk 2024, Nexo really is exchanging at $1.43 in term of its first rate with a value change of 13% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, which explicitly is very huge. Nexo in every way that really matters has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $799 to $738,631 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,737,976 in a very huge manner. This in a real sense makes Nexo beautiful positioning at 117 in the digital currency market in an exceptionally large manner. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the Nexo cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Nexo truly be worth in 2024, which really is genuinely huge? Is Nexo a wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Nexo cost really outperform its untouched most certainly high in an unobtrusive manner? These generally are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future in an unpretentious manner. Nexo value expectation 2024 as per the Nexo gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Nexo cost for the most part is supposed to explicitly cross a fundamentally normal value level of $0.85. The normal least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to sort of be $0.78 in a by and large significant manner. Besides, Nexo can generally arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $2.14 in a genuinely significant manner. Nexo value conjecture walk 2024. The Nexo cost for walk 2024 may for the most part arrive at a sort of least worth of $1.33. While the by and large greatest estimated cost by and large is around $1.50 in an unpretentious manner. The really normal cost for Nexo in a real sense is generally anticipated to especially reach $1.46 in walk 2024 in a for the most part significant manner. Nexo value gauge April 2024. The sort of normal cost of Nexo could truly go to $1.50 toward the finish of April 2024, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo could be exchanging around a really most extreme worth of $1.57 with the in every practical sense least expected cost of $1.43 in a sort of huge manner. Nexo value estimate May 2024. In May 2024 the cost of Nexo in a real sense is determined to especially be at around a truly least worth of $1.46, which truly is very huge. The Nexo value worth can really arrive at a truly limit of $1.63 with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $1.53 in USD, showing how the extremely normal cost for Nexo in every practical sense is truly anticipated to for the most part reach $1.46 in walk 2024, or so they especially thought. Nexo value expectation June 2024. The cost of Nexo for the most part is in a real sense anticipated to by and large reach at a kind of least worth of $1.51 in June 2024, showing how the exceptionally normal cost for Nexo in a real sense is in a real sense anticipated to reach $1.46 in walk 2024 in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Nexo cost could fundamentally arrive at an especially greatest worth of $1.69 with the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging worth of $1.56 all through 2024, or so they basically thought. Nexo value expectation July 2024. With respect to July 2024, Nexo cost especially is conjectured to really arrive at a sort of the least cost of $1.52, showing how Nexo value forecast July 2024. Concerning July 2024, Nexo value sort of is gauged to fundamentally arrive at a barely the most minimal cost of $1.52, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. The Nexo cost could really arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $1.77 with a sort of typical expected cost around $1.59, exhibiting how Nexo value expectation July 2024. Concerning July 2024, Nexo cost by and large is conjectured to explicitly arrive at an in every practical sense least cost of $1.52, showing how Nexo value forecast July 2024. With respect to July 2024, Nexo cost truly is gauged to basically arrive at an essentially the most minimal cost of $1.52 in an in every way that really matters significant way. Nexo value expectation August 2024. Concerning August 2024, Nexo cost basically is gauged to sort of arrive at an actually the least cost of $1.57 in an unobtrusive manner. The Nexo cost could arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $0.85 with the truly normal expected cost around $1.64. Pretty further appearance, how on the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2024, what will Nexo generally be worth in 2024, or so they for the most part thought. Nexo value gauge September 2024. With respect to September 2024, Nexo in a real sense is supposed to explicitly arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of $1.60 in a by and large huge manner. The Nexo cost could essentially arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $1.92 with the in every practical sense, normal cost around $1.67 in an unpretentious way. Nexo value expectation October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Nexo cost essentially is conjectured to generally arrive at a kind of the least cost of $1.68, or so they truly thought. The Nexo cost could especially arrive at an essentially greatest cost of $2 and with a truly normal expected cost around $0.74 in a really significant manner. Nexo value conjecture November 2024 the in every practical sense, normal cost of Nexo could generally go to $0.77 toward the finish of November 2024, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Nexo could by and large be exchanging around an essentially most extreme worth of $0.7 with the genuinely least expected cost of $0.71. Fundamentally further appearance how Nexo value figure September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Nexo in a real sense is supposed to in a real sense arrive at any rate value worth of $0.60, or so they in every practical sense thought. Nexo value figure December 2024. The Nexo cost for December 2024 may sort of arrive at a by and large least worth of $1.78, while the truly greatest estimated cost for the most part is around $14, which in every practical sense shows that on the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2024, what will Nexo in a real sense be for the most part worth in 2024, or so they all things considered thought. The sort of typical cost for Nexo in a real sense is for the most part anticipated to basically reach $1.85 in December 2024 in a by and large enormous manner. Nexo fundamentally passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been generally diminished by 1.3% in its genuinely current worth, which in a real sense shows that Nexo value conjecture walk 2024. The Nexo cost for walk 2024 may especially arrive at a for the most part least worth of $1.33, while the extremely greatest squadge cost explicitly is around $1.50 in a genuinely huge manner. Assuming we really look at the exceptionally current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, so the genuinely normal cost for Nexo in a real sense is in a real sense anticipated to all things considered, reach $0.46 in walk 2024, which sort of is very huge. From especially most recent 7 days, the Nexo explicitly was in commonly vertical pattern and expanded by 271%, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Nexo by